Hello everyone. Today we are here with Alan, Managing Director, Savoye Middle East. Hi Alan, how are you?
Very good. Very good.
So to begin with, could you briefly introduce your company and how your core expertise in supply chain technology translates into impactful solutions for the healthcare and pharmaceutical sector?
Very interesting, say, topic. And also, as an introduction, Savoye provide warehouse automation solution and supply chain execution softwares. So mainly, we provide automated and robotic systems for storage and fulfillment, or the fulfillment inside the warehouse, but also provide softwares such as warehouse management system, order management system, transport management system, and warehouse execution systems to help streamlining either manual and automated processes within the warehouse.
Great. So how is Savoye addressing the unique challenges of pharmaceutical logistics and healthcare supply chain, especially in terms of cold chain integrity and product traceability?
100%. The healthcare sector is what's more important or very critical is traceability, order accuracy,
Right.
tracking of the orders as well, and the cold chain if it is required. So basically, by adopting technological solutions in terms of automated warehouse storage, in this case, we can control better the cold chain inside the warehouse because the robots are operating inside the cold chain, very closed environment, small handover areas between the storage area and the operational area. Traceability is key. So every item will be stored in a tote. Every tote has a barcode. Every barcode is identified and scanned inside the warehouse, where we can also track all the, let's say, attributes in terms of production, expiry date, best before dates, and make sure that the supply chain manager or logistic manager has this visibility inside the warehouse and raise alert in case a near expiry date is reached. So basically, we give the say the warehouse operators or the logistic managers these tools to better control their supply chain.
Can you elaborate on how your advanced warehouse automation and software solutions are enhancing efficiency and accuracy for medical and wellness product distribution?
Yes, so basically the starting point, we speak about automation, but before going into automation, it's very important the transformation that we should adopt in terms of using software applications to control your operations. So in this case, our Audacio WMS software, a very innovative and SaaS mode software, is used in different industries, but also in the healthcare industry, where we manage and orchestrate the operations within the warehouse. We manage the inventory inside the warehouse. We track and trace the items inside the warehouse. And it is also, let's say, automation ready software. So customers can upgrade to automation inside the warehouse, and our software can control both manual and automation warehouses. And we can also integrate solutions specific for the healthcare, let's say robot picking solutions or the dispenser solutions that are needed mainly for the pharma industry in this case.
So you have recently partnership with CGI Logistics and iHerb. So could you tell us more about the fully automated global distribution center you are working in? What is your role there, and how does it align with the Saudi Arabia Vision 2030?
When iHerb decided to build their regional distribution center in the region, they were looking between different countries in the GCC. And at the end, they decided to open their distribution center in KSA for two, I think, reasons. One is the facility that the KSA is giving to the, let's say, foreign investors and companies to establish in the region. And second, to the market size. So it's 30% of the operations is happening in KSA. So these are the reasons which, let's say, led to iHerb deciding opening the warehouse or the distribution center in KSA. Now, in terms of selected of the location, this is step one. Step two, with whom they will do the operation and which system. So they partnered with CGL Logistics as a 3PL partner to operate their warehouse. Third step was what kind of technology you need to put in, what systems. It was clearly the futuristic vision of iHerb and Savoye by adopting latest automation and innovation, especially that the solutions that we provide are really adapted to the latest, let's say, need of iHerb. It does, iHerb, as you know, it's e-commerce fulfillment. So it's pure e-commerce player. So they needed systems which are having the enough speed, enough capacity to cope with the number of orders they have in the region. And therefore, they went for the fully automated solution, implemented, designed, and developed and produced by Savoye, along the side with the software controlling the entire end-to-end warehouse operations.
The Saudi GDC is expected to handle 15,000 orders daily.
Yes.
What innovative features or technologies is Server implementing to manage this scale while maintaining order precision and speed?
Basically, when we started looking into the customer data and the expectations, it was clear from our side that this GDC is really a high throughput distribution center. So, based on 15,000 orders per day. So, we had to go into selecting a couple of innovative and state of the art solutions to manage the expected processes and also to maintain the customer experience. I heard they are very, let's say, customer oriented or customer centric approach in the packing and the way we deliver the orders as well, that we had also to maintain in the GDC. So basically, backbone of this operation is our XPTS shuttle, which is the automated storage and retrieval shuttle solution, which retrieves the totes and bring it to the operator to do the picking. So this is the system delivering one of the highest throughput on the market. Then we had our fast GTP stations, where we can synchronize between the order carton, depending on the size of orders that you are placing or the customer is placing. We have different cartons to be selected automatically by the system, brought to the operator, and synchronize the inventory coming from the automated storage together. Really, we're talking about fraction of seconds should arrive at the same time to enable the order fulfillment in the right carton size. And these cartons also are erected automatically by carton erectors machines. And then when the operator is placing the items inside the order, this is the only manual operation happening inside the warehouse, because once the items are placed inside the carton goes to a automatic closing machine, which automatically close the cartoon, label it, and also sort it depending on the destination. So these are, let's say, the main element of the solution that you have to put in place to ensure the quality of picking, accuracy of the picking, but also maintaining the quality of the packing to guarantee the highest customer experience when opening and receiving the item at your doorstep.
Right, great. So is this project you have completed it? Or you're being like the ongoing process?
Exactly. So we had to go into, let's say, two steps. Step one is live already, and step two will be live in the coming month, where the full system will be operational before end of this year.
So, errors in medication handling can be critical. What technologies or features does a server deploy to minimize human error and improve safety and compliance in medical order processing?
Yeah, so we have, depending on the area of operation, we had a couple of systems being used to make sure the accuracy and the correctness of the orders. So first, it's automated system, so it's unlikely to make mistake by selecting the right item, but still errors can happen. So we have like you say, innovative scanning systems where we scan 100% of the items while fulfilled, but it's not enough. When we also fulfill the orders goes to a weighing scale, which always control the weight of the full carton.
Right.
Okay, compared to the theoretical weight, to ensure there is no error in the handling. We have a pick by light solution, helping the operators selecting the right items from the right location. And on top of all of this, we have our Audacity WMS, which is having the track and trace features, ensuring the inventory accuracy, and let's say managing the expiry dates, the best before dates, and the attributes of each and single SKUs, the batch numbers, and so on.
Sustainability is a buzzword in manufacturing and digital industry. So, how is Savoye, your company is contributing to greener logistic operations in the healthcare sector, especially when energy intensive, automation is involved?
Energy intensive, it's maybe was the case couple or of decades, but nowadays the robotic solutions we are implementing are really energy friendly, battery driven, They don't consume as people might think. Like a robot can consume as a laptop that you charge in your office. So this is from the technology perspective. They are less energy consuming machines compared to before. Now, in terms of what's of impact on the sustainability, I would take two examples, simple one, because as you mentioned, it's a buzzword. We can make it as a marketing topic or a real case scenario. So I prefer the real case scenario in this case. We have solutions like Jivaro, which help reducing the size of the carton, and it directly and indirectly impacts sustainability because the idea behind Jivaro is we take the order carton, we cut the carton to the exact height of the items inside. So we reduce the size of the carton. Reducing the size of the carton, what does it mean? Reducing the transportation because we are better utilizing the vans and the transport vehicles. In this way, we can reduce the carbon footprint due to the transportation of the items or the goods from the warehouse to the end customers. Another option is not reducing the carton, is selecting the right carton. This is how we are doing it for iHerb, for example. We have 7 carton sizes, which goes from the small tissue box size to a 600 by 400 by 300 carton. So imagine I'm putting a small item in a big carton, and then it's waste of space, and it will really utilize the van inefficiently. So basically, we will have a module in our software, which will help the selection of the right carton size for the right order size. And this will happen from the moment you know the data, you know the items and the sizes of the items you have on the system. This is where our software is able to track and trace and identify the size of the order, do the cubing, finding the right carton fit size, and then select it for the order to be prepared. So indirectly, we are, let's say, saving transportation costs, or directly as well, saving transportation costs for the customer,
Right.
but also reducing the carbon footprint emission.
Yes, great. So I think that is all. Thank you so much for speaking.
Thank you for your question and interview. Thank you.